Hi everybody, welcome back to Sueño de Vida here in the cloud forest of Ecuador. So recently I've been talking a lot about the benefits of agroforestry besides food, so I thought today would be fun to actually talk about the food, all the amazing things that we harvest here, and go into the kitchen, and we can also talk a little bit about what we do with some of the amazing diversity of foods that we're harvesting from our system just about 6 years in now. So in the future there will be a lot more. But right now, if you're doing agroforestry in the tropics, yucca you're going to be your mainstay. It's a great soil opener. And after your yucca, then you'll probably start harvesting your bananas. It's another great staple food. Doggies love them too. Can't get enough bananas. And then there's plantains, the starchy sister of bananas, which we eat almost every day with everything. They're really nutritious and fantastic. Green, my favorite way to eat them is fried, like patacones. And then when they're ripe, you can put them in a nice savory stew, really delicious. And then next you'll probably get some papaya. About a year in, you'll get papaya. Can have those every day for breakfast. It's great. And then also pineapple. It takes about a year to come into the system. And they don't grow on trees. They grow on other pineapples. After that, you'll probably start to see some citrus. And about 4 years into this system, you'll start getting some limes and some lemons, and let me tell you, they will be some of the biggest lemons that you have ever seen. Also tangerines, fantastic. We've got these giant tangerines here. They're super sweet, super juicy. We're so glad to have tangerines come in this year. Roots, you can expect to be getting. Roots will come in early. This is taro or papachina. This you can get in about a year, but it needs damp, shady soil. Turmeric, too, is something that you're probably going to want to wait for till you can actually mulch your soil. And turmeric is great. It's anti-inflammatory. It's great in curries, and it's got a high market value. We're going to be selling our turmeric soon. Let's see. Also, we've got some cherry peppers and Malabar spinach growing right outside the house. For greens, Malabar spinach is fantastic because it can take the heat and the humidity. We've also got Chayote Squash, or it's a gourd. It's another vine. It makes a great pickle with hot peppers and lemons. And, okay, so now we're into cacao. Cacao is our main cash crop. This is what we grow to sell. This is an heirloom variety called the Roma Nacional. It's got a very high market value. Specialty chocolate makers love it. You can eat the pulp, which is great. But what we do is we dry and ferment the beans, roast them, and shell them. And then it's not necessary to grind them. Here I'm going to show grinding the beans. You can eat them just toasted and shelled as nibs, or you can grind into a paste to make hot chocolate. You can also make some delicious cookies. Here's some cocoa cookies with coconut. Here's this arasa. This is a tangy cousin to the mango. Nice fruit. And here we have sacha inchi, which is another vine. It's a very nutritious nut. Here we've got air potatoes, another vine. There's a great big one with little egg next to it for scale. This is salak from Indonesia, aka the snake fruit. Really nice fruit, very high in calcium, high in fiber, and you can do a lot with it. Here I've preserved some in brown sugar syrup. This is Chantaduro, or peach palm, as it's known. This is one of the best things you could possibly grow in the tropics and subtropics. It is so nutritious. It's got fat, it's got protein, it's got total lipids, beta-carotene. It's like the staple food that we forgot to eat. So definitely Chantaduro. It's versatile. Here I made some patties with it. Okay, we've got our chickies, of course, and from our chickies we get eggs. And then we also farm fish. We've got some natural aquaponics pond that we dug here ourselves, and we take out our fish. And what is better than batter fried fresh fish, yeah? And here's a nice meal with everything made from the farm right here on this plate. Okay, here we have tropical mint that I may use to make teas. We've got garlic leaf. It's a very nice seasoning. And this is lovely lemon verbena that is nice and aromatic to put in teas. So we've got ginger flowers, or awafi. And also, don't forget to harvest seeds. I can't emphasize enough the importance of harvesting seeds to grow more trees, so then you can start another agroforestry lot somewhere else. So that's what we're in the midst of doing now. We took land that looked like this, and we made it look like this. So in time, your agroforestry system will grow and evolve. So yeah, guys, please come on down to the farm and check us out, and check out our website at www.sdvforest.com. Thanks for watching. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to Sueño de Vida.